nicknamed the Juice, is an American former football running back, broadcaster, actor, advising spokesman. His family. Former spouse Nicole Brown Simpson. Her former spouse was the German American. Brown is alleged to have had an affair with Simpson's friend, fellow football player and football analyst Marcus Allen during her separation from the Simpsons. Her former spouse Marguerite Whitley. Former spouse wedding picture. She was the OJ's first wife. Sydney Simpson, OJ's daughter. His daughter. His sister Carmelita Jackson. Sister Shirley Baker. Daughter Arnell Simpson. O.J. Simpson with Arnell Simpson. Daughter Sydney Brooke Simpson, 2017. His sisters. His father Jimmy Lee Simpson. Mother Eunice Simpson. With his parents. His son and daughter. His brother named Melvin Simpson. His son named Justin Ryan. His family. All picture with family. He also appeared in the audience of Saturday Night Live during its second season. He has an estimated net worth of $3 million. He graduated in 1965. Laura Sosedo. He with Jane Eyre. His Wild Night Out. Christy Prody. Tracy Adele. He engaged to his prison pen. His girlfriend Christy. Jejmena Jameson. Dating history. His ex-girlfriend Christy Pody. Paula Barberi, O.J. Simpson and Paula Barberi. Dating history. Dating history. He attended the University of Southern California, where he played football for the USC Trojans and won the Heisman Trophy in 1968. He played professionally as a running back in the National Football League for 11 seasons, preliminary with the Buffalo Bills from 1969 to 1977. He also played for the San Francisco from 1978 to 1979. In 1973, he became the first NFL player to rush for more than 2,000 yards in the season. He holds the record for the single season yards per game average, which stand at 143.1. He was the only player to ever rush for over 2,000 yards in the 14-game regular season NFL format. He was inducted into the College Football Hall of Fame in 1983 and Pro Football Hall of Fame in 1985. After retiring from football, he began new career in acting and football broadcasting. In 2007, he was arrested in Las Vegas, Nevada, and charged with the felonies of the armed robbery and kidnapping. He was eligible for release from prison on October 1, 2017 and was released on that date. His maternal grandparents were from Louisiana. He grew up in the San Francisco and lived with his family in the housing project of the Patrio Hills neighborhood. He hosted the Saturday Night Live, an episode during its third season. His collection. His watch. His autograph. His autograph. In his early teenager years, he joined a street gang called the Persian Warriors. Kardashian, Kris Jenner, O.J. Simpson. Nicole and sister. Nicole Brown Simpson's dog. Old memories. Dating history. With award. Rare picture.